screen, guys. Okay. So, sino sa inyo dito yung mga hindi pa nakatrabaho sa filter side? As in, zero experience. Marami-rami ah. May mga filter accounts na kayo? Do you have any filter accounts na pa? Wala pa.
Hello, sir.
Okay. So, later on, kukolektahin ko yung mga pangalan ng mga wala pang filter accounts. Yung may mga filter accounts na, huwag na kayo mag-fill up ng form. Okay? Clear? Okay. So, ayun. As of now, as you all know, ubos na yung task natin sa labeler side. So, we have to shift roles, which is filter accounts. Yung filter accounts, that is where the task starts. Okay? Doon yan, nagsa-start. Bago mapunta sa labeler at sa checker, sa filter mo nadadaan yan. So we have at least a total of 258,703 maps. 200K. Mas marami pa to sa labeler site previously. Tama? Okay. Mas sumasagot sa akin, bala kayo dyan. So ngayon, filter account yung gagamitin natin. Like I said, if i-filter natin yung task, we have to filter those tasks na kaya lang din naman i-edit and pass, or kaya lang din naman i-submit without making any fuzz, or if i-fail natin yung mga tasks which has a lot of errors or issues. For those tasks with a lot of errors and issues, if i-fail natin, mapupunta iyon sa labeler site. Okay? And then labelers will work on it. So, kung wala na rin naman kayong task sa labeler, this is also a good paying work. Kasi wala kayong masyadong gagawin dito. Not unless kung may mga i-edit talaga kayo na malaki. And the benchmark for the filter side is usually around 15 to 12 seconds. 15 to 12 seconds. Bakit ganun kalaki, sir? Kasi po, or ganun kabilis dapat? Kasi wala po tayong masyadong gagawin dito. Okay? Yung mga tasks dito sa filter side is around 0 features to 10 features only. 10 bahay or 10 forest, 10 water, something like that, up until sa mapa na wala talagang laman. So, ayan yung i-filter out natin. Okay? May clear? Any questions for now? Okay, medyo bobo ako sa math. How many 15 seconds in an hour? Ilan? 240. So, 240 maps for 75 pesos. Hindi po tayo dito nagbe-base through features. We are basing through maps. Okay? Or our benchmark is by maps, not features. So, pabilisan dito sa filter side. Okay? So, later on, kapag nabigyan ko na kayo ng filter account, open nyo yung filter nyo. Excuse. Wait lang. Wait lang. Kuha lang ako screenshot. Sorry ah. Saglit lang. Magre-report pa pala ako. Dami kong nakalimutan ko to. Okay, again, balik. So, okay na. Makikita screen ko? Nakikita ba yung screen? Okay, thank you. So, ayun. Later on, kapag nabigyan ko kayo ng filter account, sa mga hindi pa po marunong mag-open ng filter account, iba po yung way ng pag-open ng filter account. This is not the same as labelers. Okay? So, i-input nyo yung filter account ninyo na ibibigay ko, like this one and this one. And then, just press OK. Lalabas ito. Okay, lalabas ito. Hindi ito kagaya ng labeler na automatic mag-open agad. So, sa filter side, kapag nag-open kayo, meron yung start time, end time, sub-project ID, and cache size. For the start time and end time, you do not have to edit those. Okay, wala kayong gagalawin. It is already fixed. Okay? No problem with that. Sub-project ID, eto, sub-project ID is dapat mag-input kayo diyan kung anong project yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Don't input any other sub-project area or any numbers. You have to put tab 2590 sa sub-project ID. Napaka-importante niyan. Okay? So please, hopefully naka-take note kayo. Cache size. Cache size is yan yung mga pre-downloaded task ninyo. Pre-downloaded task, it means dito sa filter side, it is not like sa labeler na pagpasa ninyo yung mapa, you have to wait for another download. Okay? Hindi ito kagaya ng labeler na pagpasa, ayun, mag-aantay ulit kung kailan makaka-download ng task. It's not like this sa filter side kasi nga mabilisan yung trabaho dito. So pwede kayo maglagay ng cache size for starters for the newbie. Siguro 2 to 3 that would good number na rin naman yan para hindi kayo ma-delay. Pero kapag 10 years na kayo, pwede naman kayo mag-add up to 10. Okay, 5 to 10. It depends on you kung mabilis kayo. So ayun, maglalagay lang tayo ng 3. And then press OK. Sa kabila, ganun din, 2590, cache size is 3. Walang gagalawin sa start and end time. Press OK. So kapag nag-open na kayo ng filter, ganito yung lalabas. Meron yung lalabas na auto-acquire task is disabled. No more task in queue. It means walang laman yung inyong ID. Simply click yes. Okay? Simply click yes for that. And set up ko muna yung IDs ko na dalawa. Isin natin yan. Ito yung isa. Like that. So sa filter, as you all notice, hindi ito kagaya ng labeler. Meron itong M tsaka R. Yung filter, meron lang M or A. Dito sa filter, meron tayong R. That is for, R represents rest. M represents manual. So kapag naka-M tsaka R yung inyong filter accounts, whatever napilit ninyo na mag-control D, hindi po yan makaka-pull ng task. That is because naka-manual download kayo. Manual download means kailangan mag-click ng control D and then naka-rest yung inyong ID. So para maka-pull kayo ng task sa project na 2590, you have to click the M, gawin ninyong W, and then yung R, gawin ninyong W, and then yung M, gawin ninyong A. A stands for automatic, okay? Automatic or auto-download. W stands for working. So you have to press the M tsaka R para maka-pull ng task. Same goes with this one. Dapat naka-A tsaka W. Yan. So once na naka-open na yan, it is fully opened na by this time. Ganito yung lalabas sa inyong mga screens. Okay? So dito sa filter side, like I said, konti lang yung features natin dito. We only have around 0 to 10 features. It's either forest or it's either water, yung mga features na yan. Yung kailangan na po natin dito gawin is to fan out those areas or those maps na may mga error. For this one, as I noticed, na-label naman to as forest. That is good. Ito, na-label as forest, pero hayaan na natin yung forest na yan. Mag-aayos po tayo ng forest dito. Okay? We have to fix forest. Kapag nakakita kayo ng isang large area of missing forest, you can label for that. But for this area, I think this is not a forest kasi ito yung mga puno. Okay? I think this is just a grass or shrubs or something like that. But it is not trees. Ito, do you think this is water? Tubig ito? Yung area na to? Okay, nagla-like kayo. So it means tingin ninyo water ito. But look closely. Pag nag-zoom in kayo, as you can see, it is all trees.
So,
Bakit po ito po yan? Yes? Ano? Problema?
shadow po. Shadow po.
Okay. So, ayun. As you can see or as you notice, this is like a hill or something mas mataas or hindi level yung ground sa area na to. And as we can see, shadow po ito, yung black part. Pag nag-zoom in kayo, meron mga puno po dyan. So, hindi po dapat nakalabel yan as water. Actually, this is supposed to be forest. Okay? So, all you need to do is to change attribute. And it doesn't cost you a lot of hour or time to change attribute. Less than a few seconds, ma-edit nyo na yan. So, no need to fail for that. By the way, sa filter side, dalawa lang yung kailangan ninyong gawin. Okay? It's either fail the task or edit and submit. Okay? Fail or edit and submit. Dalawa lang po yan. At saka sa mga hindi pa po nakakatrabaho sa filter before, kapag nag-control A po kayo dito sa filter, hindi po yan magpa-prompt yung do you want to submit a task or whatsoever. Hindi po yan magpa-prompt. Kasi like I said, mabilisan yung trabaho dito. So tinanggal na yung prompt na yan. Pag nag-click kayo ng control A dito, automatically lilipad po yung task ninyo. Hindi mo nyo po mapipigilan yan. Kung for example, nagkamali kayo ng click ng control A. So I suggest kapag nagpapasa kayo or nagfe-fail kayo, simply click 1 control F or 1 control A. Huwag ninyo spam kasi po mauubos yung cache ninyo. Cache po natin, that is the pre-downloaded task. For now, this ID right here has a 3 task. Isa ito yung ginagawa ko, tapos may nadalawa na naka-standby. So tuloy-tuloy yan, mamaya makikita nyo. So for this one, change attribute lang into forest and that is good. No need to fix other forests. No need to label this area kasi this is a grass field. No need to label any forest or any trees, not unless if it is a forest lahat. So for this, submit that one. Click Control A. This one, okay. As you can see, it is a rock valley. Parang puro bato siya, something like that. May naka-label, sorry, Ilonggo eh. May naka-label na forest sa mga paligid ng bato. Tapos, kung mag-zoom in kayo, as you can see, it is all trees. Okay? So, hindi natin kailangan galawin yan. Hayaan natin naka-forest yan and then you're all good. No need to exclude this rock formations or mga rocks na yan, no need to exclude for them. Ito na-exclude ni AI or ni AI. So, hayaan na natin yan. So, this is good. Simply submit. Excuse. This one, it is a road. Yung road na to, hindi naman po yan bridge, di ba? For the bridge, kailangan nating i-label syempre as a bridge. But this one, this is simply a road. So, no need to fix for that. Wala po tayong buildings para dito. Wala po tayong missing forest for this map. So, all you need to do for now is to submit that map. Click Control A. And makaka-pull ulit kayo automatic ng isa pang map. This one, as you can see, parang bato siya na parang forest. So, medyo semi-ambiguous. Pero as I can see, may mga puno nga naman talaga. Hayaan na natin yung forest na label dyan. Pag nag-zoom in tayo, parang puno naman talaga na parang hindi. Ambiguous. May label as forest. Hindi naman water yung label. Submit. This one, zoom in tayo. As you can see, parang mga shrub ito or puno. Hindi pala, sorry. Parang grass field na siya pero medyo lanta na yung mga puno or yung mga halaman. So, hayaan na lang natin as ganyan. No need to do forest for that. Click Control A. This one, it is all buildings, yung area na to. Okay? Meron tayong mga label na kulay red para sa mga trucks. Meron tayong kulay na label. May label tayo na kulay red para sa ground. And this one. So yung gagawin nyo po dito, like I said, it's either fail the task or edit and submit. If you think na kaya ninyong i-edit yung mapa na yon within 15 seconds, try to edit and pass. Huwag nang i-fail. Bakit? Mamaya i-check ko lahat ng mga na-fail na task from the filter side. If ever makita ko na fail kayo ng fail ng task, malalagot kayo sa akin. Okay? Tapos yung failing of task, that will be counted as a half map, not a whole map. So pag, for example, nag-pushback kayo na nag-pushback buong gabi, bukas, kinabukasan, nakita ko yung mga mapa ninyo, nag-fail kayo ng nag-fail kahit walang error, malalagot kayo in a sense na mabablock kayo, marireset yung task ninyo, dagdag pa, hindi rin kayo mababayaran. Okay? Na maganda. Bakit? Like I said, failing of task will only be counted as half a map. So kapag nag-fail kayo yung kailangan nating mahabol is around 240 maps. I-times 2 nyo yan. Dapat makahatak kayo ng 480 maps para maka 75 pesos kayo. Pero kapag nagpasa lang naman kayo, nag-edit and pass kayo, you just have to get a total of 240 maps. Yun lang. So ito, kung kaya ninyo lang naman, kung tingin nyo kaya ninyo i-edit, delete lang naman to eh. Select, click letter B, and then you're done. Submit the map. Click Control A. So if fan out lang po natin yung mga mapa na may error. This map right here, as you can see, may mga puro bahay. Click R para makapag-zoom in ng madali. Check the building. The building is good, kulay green, no need to edit anything, submit. Lipat sa kabila, ground, something like that, wala namang label, click Control A, pasa. Road, okay? Caravans, wala namang missing building. If ever na mayroong missing building, if ever na may kulay red na mga label buildings, you have to fix for them or, ayun, kung marami ng error, madidelay na kayo more than 15 seconds, tingin nyo hindi na kaya ma-edit, you can